Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating garden tip from an Amish farmer that simplifies soil testing and helps you understand your garden's soil pH without any fancy equipment. Let's get into it. Visual soil testing, the Amish way. This method relies on observing soil color and texture to estimate pH levels. Dark soil, neutral pH, around 7. Rich in organic matter. Light gray or red soil, slightly alkaline, over 7, typically contains clay. Sandy soil, slightly acidic, under 7, with low moisture retention. By simply looking at the soil, you can estimate its pH and adjust your garden practices accordingly. Why this method works? It's all about understanding the natural clues in your soil. Amish farmers are known for their deep connection to the land, and this method is no exception. The color and texture of the soil give you important hints about its composition, helping you choose the right plants or soil amendments. Key benefits of using visual soil testing. Immediate feedback. You get an instant rough estimate of your soil's pH. Plant selection. Understanding your soil helps you choose the best plants for your garden. Eco-friendly. No need for expensive tools or lab tests, just good observation. A deeper connection with your garden. This method teaches us more than just soil pH. It encourages mindfulness in the garden. Taking the time to observe your soil's condition will help you better understand its health, allowing you to nurture a more vibrant and productive garden. So next time you're out in the garden, take a closer look at your soil. You might just discover the secrets it's been holding. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your gardening insights in the comments below. Happy gardening!